What the heck? Seriously? First try? Hello, baby fans. It's your boy Shadow Wolf 34, and the clip that you've seen was an actual shock because I was planning to make a short unboxing of this bay because it's already released and you already know the part. So I was doing a short unboxing so that I have a brand new content on my channel. And I forgot that you can you know have a chance to get a Rashad version of it, which is rare. The reason why I bought Savior is because of the launcher itself, and collector purposes. And I was shocked that I got the Rashad version. um I don't know what to say, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with this bay because it is so rare that some here in my country, some of them sell it at a high price. Even though without the launcher, it can sell at a high price. So I don't know if I'm gonna sell it or I'm gonna just collect it and just buy another one. So let me know what your thoughts, guys, because I don't know what I'm gonna do with this bay. Honestly, I'm planning just to buy a new one, and I'm gonna save this one for collecting purposes. I'm just gonna use the brand new launcher because the only reason why I bought this bay because of the launcher, because of my old one is kinda old and it's ready to break at any time. So that's the reason why I'm buying this bay. So yeah, if you guys have any comments of what I'm gonna do with this bay, should I keep it and just buy another one or sell it? So yeah, I guess that's about it. Please help me. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this bay. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.